Hey, we back. Drake, first person shooter featuring J. Cole. I'm expecting a step up, especially after that Lil Yachty feature verse. But I have a feeling I'm going to be underwhelmed.
That's unfair.
Why?
He's not gonna do better than that.
He doesn't have to do better, but at least bring it to the same level. So
that's unfair though. Like niggas are still talking about God's plan, the verse Jay-Z spit, because it's the last thing he spit. They heard him spit.
Yeah.
If he made another song, you're not gonna say let's compare. But yeah.
But I'm just expecting a great verse. And it shouldn't be hard to out-rap Drake as J. Cole. It shouldn't be hard.
No, Drake is a very good rapper.
He's
sorry.
good, but it shouldn't be hard to out-rap.
I'm sorry, it is.
Nah.
For J. Cole might be a better rapper, but no, I'm not saying to say it shouldn't be hard. Hey, but hey.
I mean, they call him the GOAT.
No, who's the GOAT?
J. Cole.
Who calls him that?
People. They call him one of the greatest, all the other stuff. So I want to.
Yeah, but they call him one of the greatest of his generation.
Drake is in his generation. Let's see.
And Kendrick's
not in this conversation. Let's just talk about J. Cole for now, because there it's like, come on.
First person shooter mode. We turning your son to a funeral. To them niggas that say they don't office, you better be talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. A lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2 on the UNO. Yeah. Numero UNO. Me and Drizzy, this shit like the Super Bowl. Man, this shit done it big as the... Big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl, but the difference is it's just two guys playing shit that they did in the studio. Niggas.
Now this beat needs a switch up. I can tell from here.
Usually send they verses back to me and they be terrible, just like a 2-year-old. I love a dinner with some fine women when they start debating about who the GOAT. I'm like, go ahead, say it then. Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT? Who the GOAT? Who you bitches really rooting for? Like a kid that had bad from January to November, nigga, it's just you and Cole. Big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl. Niggas so thirsty to put me in beef. Dissecting my words and start looking too deep. I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I love the mystique. I still wanna give me a song where I be. Can't trust everything that you saw on IG. Just know if I diss you, I make sure you know that I hit you like I'm on your caller ID. I'm naming the... Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl. Niggas so thirsty to put me in beef. Dissecting my words and start looking too deep. I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I love the mystique. I still wanna give me a song where I be.
I still wanna give me a song.
Why? That's my question. The problem I have with J. Cole is that he's too generous with features. And he has features that are like... That did not help anyone.
He's too generous now. And most of his features are forgettable, like the Gucci Mane, like the Derek and whatever.
Can't trust everything that you saw on IG. Just know if I diss you, I make sure you know that I hit you like I'm on your caller ID. I'm naming the album to fall off. It's pretty ironic cause it ain't no fall off for me. Still in this bitch getting...
He's releasing an album. He's releasing an album.
That's what they said, yeah.
Nigga, they waiting on the kid to come drop like a father to be. Love when they argue the hard all ID. I'm naming the album to fall off. It's pretty ironic cause it ain't no fall off for me. Still in this bitch getting bigger. They waiting on the kid to come drop like a father to be. Love when they argue the hardest MC. Is it K-Dot, is it Aubrey or me? We the big three like we started a league. But right now I feel like Muhammad Ali. Yeah, Muhammad.
Okay. Muhammad Ali is also considered a great. But he also has like a few losses, so.
Floyd Mayweather's the code.
Hardest MC, is it K-Dot, is it Aubrey or me? We the big three like we started a league, but right now I feel like Muhammad Ali. Yeah, Muhammad Ali, the one that they call when they shit ain't connected no more. Feel like I got a job in IT. Rhyming with me is the biggest mistake. The Spider-Man meme is me looking at Drake. It's like we recruited your homies to be demon deacons. We got them attending your wake. Hey, how the gang got away from the bars, man, this shit like a prison escape. Everybody steppers were fucking and everybody breakfast and I'm about to clear up my plate. When I show up, it's motion picture blockbuster. The goat with the golden pen, the top toucher, the spot rusher. Spray this whole shit up, the crop duster. Not Russia, but apply pressure to your cranium. Cold's automatic when aiming them. With the boy in the status of stadium.
Okay. He delivered! He delivered.
Drake is gonna shoot himself in the dick, isn't he? He's gonna start singing. Please don't start singing.
Hey, I'm about done.
You better.
I'm about done. I'm about done. Yo. I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click. Whoa. I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click. Whoa. I'm down to click out on you hoes and make a crime scene. I click the trigger on a stick like a high beam, and I will bend.
That's another thing I have with Drake. He does not have this type of background. Why does he rap like this?
I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click. Whoa. I'm down to click out on you hoes and make a crime scene. I click the trigger on a stick like a high beam, and I will Benny Will whip when I was 19. She called my number, leave her hanging. She got dry clean. She got an Android. Her messages is lime green. I search one name and end up seeing 20 teens. Nadine, Christine, Justine, Kathleen, Charlene.
In this era, he's still talking about fucking teens. Drake.
Pauline, Claudine. Man, I pack them in this phone like some sardines. And they send me naked pictures, it's the small things. You niggas still taking pictures on a...
Man, those are dangerous words. Those are dangerous
Those are
words.
fighting words.
They send you naked pictures. Small things. Way.
All stream. My youngest richer than you rappers and they all stream. I really hate that you been selling them some false dreams. Man, if your pub was up for sale, I buy the whole thing. Will they ever give me flowers? Well, of course not. They don't wanna have that talk cause it's a sore spot. They know the boy, the one that got a boycott. I told Jimmy Jam I use a Grammy as a doorstop. Girl, give me some hair because I need it. And if I fuck with you, then after I might eat it. What? Niggas talking about when this gon' be repeated. What the fuck, bro? I'm one away from Michael. Nigga, beat it. Nigga, beat it. What? 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 Beat it. Nigga, beat it. Niggas talking about when this gon' be repeated. What the fuck, bro? I'm one away from Michael. Nigga, beat it.
Michael Jackson.
Oh.
Nigga, beat it. What? 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 Beat it. Beat it. What? Don't even pay me back on none of the favors. I don't need it.
As I said, he's gonna shoot himself in the dick. Why the fuck did you change
Cole
the
killed
beat?
him.
Yeah?
Cole killed him.
Wait, but why did you change the beat?
And come on, dog. You changed the beat. I think he had more time to... Okay, yeah, he did have more time to rap because he rapped first. Cole came in. It was a bit lengthy, but he had like another additional 2 minutes and you still couldn't come through. Cole killed him.
But yeah, that
Killed
was Drake and J. Cole and...
First person shooter. I'm happy with J. Cole. Drake was same old
J. Cole,
thing.
your album better be fire, my guy. Like,
I'm not optimistic.
thing is, he's incapable of making a bad album. Let me just say that. He's incapable. Unlike Drake, Drake is more than capable. He's more than willing to make bad albums, but
He's eager.
yeah, he's eager. It's like, let me engage. Like he saw Eminem drop Revival, he was like, oh my beer. But yeah, that was Drake's first person shooter, and yeah, I don't know what to think of this. J. Cole
It's a
killed
cool
it.
song, man.
J. Cole killed it.
It's a cool song.
Yeah, I'll download it and then trim it to J. Cole's verse so I can hear blast that shit in the car. But yeah, please like, subscribe,
And suggest
music for us to react to.
And any other video, actually.
But yeah, see you next time.